Flexible, time to get off the car. There's a good boy. Okay, I'm going to work now. You need to get off the car, buddy. Gotta leave. Okay, have a good day.
The traffic delay on your route is now 5 minutes. Your arrival time 9:19. You're still on the fastest route.
Okay, get off the car, Flexible. Thank you. It's time to get off now. That's a good boy. Okay, stopping the car so you can get off. That's a good boy. Not so you can get comfortable, so you can get off the car. I have to go to work now. Okay, off you get, bud. Thank you. Okay, get off.